Good morning to all. I hope you are doing great. I am also good. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Reena and I am so happy to have you here. In today's class, we are going to talk about Unit 9 and the name of the unit is People, Development and Environment. So in this we are going to cover all these topics. First topic we have Development and Environment. Millennium Development and Sustainable Development Goals. Second topic we have Human and Environment Interaction. Third topic we have environmental issues which include local, regional and global. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and climate change and its socio-economic and political dimensions. Next topic we have impacts of pollutant on human health. Apart from that, we have other topic natural and energy sources which include solar, wind, soil, hydro, geothermal, biomass, nuclear and forest. Next we have natural hazards and disaster mitigation strategies. Next we have Environmental Protection Act 1986, National Action Plan on Climate Change, International Agreement Effort and Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention on Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol. Next we have Paris Agreement as well as International Solar Alliance. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in this video. So let's understand each and every topic one by one. So first topic we have development and environment. Basically this topic focus on balance between economic development and environmental protection. So first we have MDG goals. So basically it's set by the United Nations in 2000 for the period 2000 to 2015 and it has included 8 goals and if we talk about the aims, so these are the aim to reduce the poverty, hunger, illiteracy, gender inequality and environmental degradation. These aims are included in MDG goals. For example, goal 7 was ensure environmental sustainability. Next we have SDG goals. SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals and basically it is adopted in 2015 by UN for the period 2015 to 2030 and 17 goals included in the SDG and 169 target for peace, prosperity, people and planet. If we talk about the goal 13 basically focus on climate action and goal 6 basically focus on clean water and sanitation. For example, India's Swachh Bharat mission support SDGs goal 6. So next we have difference between the MDG and SDG goals. So first of all, let's understand the MDG and SDG goals. So basically, if we talk about the MDG, it stands for Millennium Development Goals and SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals. If we talk about the MDG goals, it is basically initiated by United Nations and in the similar way SDG also started by United Nations. If we talk about the time period for MDG goals, it's 2000 to 2015 and if we talk about the SDG goals, so basically time period for that 2015 to 2030. If we talk about the number of goals set for MDG, it's 8 goals and in case of SDG, 17 goals were included. Next we have number of targets. If we talk about the number of target in case of MDG goals, there are 21 target and in case of SDG goals, we have 169 targets. So in case of MDG, they basically focus on mainly social and economic development which include poverty, health, etc. And in case of SDG goals, They basically focus on holistic development, which includes social, economic, and environmental. Okay, if we talk about the applicability of MTC goals, basically they mainly for developing and least developed countries. And if we talk about the SDG goals, they basically for universal applies to all the countries, which include developed as well as developing countries. Okay, so next we have the difference between the MTC goals and SDG goals. So let's understand the 7 goals that covered under the MTG goals. So first goal we have eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. That means reduce the number of people who live on less than $1 per day and who don't have enough food. In the second goal, achieve universal primary education. That means make sure all boys and girls can complete primary school education. Third goal we cover under the MTC goals, promote gender equality and empower women. That means give equal rights and opportunities to women, especially in education and empowerment. And fourth goal we have reduce child mortality. That means lower the number of children who die before the age of 5. Next goal we have improve maternal health. That means reduce the number of women who die while giving birth or due to pregnancy related issues. Next, sixth goal we have combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. That means stop the spread and reduce the impact of diseases like HIV, malaria and TB. Seventh goal we have ensure environmental sustainability. That means protect natural resources and provide access to clean water and sanitation. And last goal we have develop a global partnership for development. That means rich and poor countries should work together for aid, trade, affordable medicine and technology. Next we have SDG goals. Okay, so in which we have 17 goals. First goal we have no poverty. That means end poverty everywhere. Everyone should have enough money and resources to live. Second, we have zero hunger. That means ensure everyone has enough nutrition, food to eat. Third goal, we have good health and well-being. That means ensure healthy lives for all ages and reduce diseases, death and improve health care. Next goal, we have quality education. Quality education. Okay, that means end discrimination and violence against women and girls. Next we have clean water and sanitation. That means ensure clean and safe water and toilet for everyone. Seventh goal we have affordable and clean energy. That means ensure access to renewable and modern energy sources for all. Next we have decent work and economic growth. That means promote job with fair pay and economic development. Next we have industry, innovation and infrastructure. That means build quality infrastructure and promote sustainable industries and technologies. Next we have reduced inequality. That means reduce inequality within and between countries. Next goal we have reduced inequality. Okay, so I already discussed this one. Next we have 11 sustainable cities and communities. That means make cities safe, clean and friendly for all people. Next we have responsible consumption and production. That means use resources wisely and reduce waste. Next we have climate action. That means take urgent action to fight climate change and its effects. Next we have life below water. That means protect ocean and marine water life from pollution and overuse. 15th goal we have life on land. That means protect protect forest, biodiversity, and land ecosystem. Next, we have peace, justice, and strong institutions. That means ensure justice for all, reduce violence, and promote strong and fair institutions. Next, we have partnership for the goals. That means countries should work together to achieve all these goals through finance, trade, and support. Okay, so come to the conclusion of SDG and MDG goal. So basically, MDG goals focus on basic human development like poverty, education, and health. And if we talk about the SDG goals, they basically broader goals including economy, environment, peace, innovation, and sustainability. So these are the things that I already covered. So let's move to the second topic. Second topic, we have human and environmental interaction. So basically this refers to how human activities affect the environment, both positive way as well as negative way. First we have anthropogenic activities, that is because of human. First we have deforestation, that means cutting trees for urbanization and agriculture. Second we have industrialization, it is because of emission of harmful gases. Third we have overfishing, mining, construction, it depletes the natural resources, so we have to careful about these things. Third topic, we have environmental issues, which include the various type of pollution and their effect. So first type of pollution we have air pollution. It is because of emission from vehicles and industries, for example Delhi smoke. Second type of pollution we have water pollution, and the main cause of water pollution is sewage, industrial waste in rivers, for example Ganga river pollution. Okay, next we have noise pollution. The main cause of noise pollution because of honking, construction, loudspeaker, for example city traffic noise. And next we have soil pollution. The main cause of soil pollution is because of use of pesticides and industrial discharge, for example land near factories becoming infertile. Next we have liquid waste, it is because of sewage and factory waste. Next we have biomedical wastage, it is because of hospitals, clinics, and for example gloves. Next we have hazardous waste, it is because of chemicals, paints, and batteries. Next we have electronic waste, and the main cause of electronic waste is old electronics, for example mobiles, laptop thrown in trash. Next we have climate change, it is because of increase in global temperature due to greenhouse gases. And socio-economic impact because of floods, crop failures, migration. Third we have political impact, which include climate, treaties, and energy policy changes. Next topic we have impact of pollutant on human health. First we have air pollution, and because of that we have to face lots of problems. Firstly asthma, lung cancer. Next we have water pollution, because of this one diarrhea, hepatitis. These are the problems that the person face on regular basis. Next we have noise pollution, because of that one anxiety is there. Next we have chemical pollution, because of chemical pollution people have to face skin diseases as well as cancer. For example Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, and this is because of leakage of toxic gas, and because of this 1000 of people died at that time. Next topic we have natural and energy resources. So these are the resources. First we have solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, biomass. So these are the renewable, and soil, nuclear, these are the non-renewable resources. And forest, these are also included in renewable. Next we have natural hazardous and disaster, and mitigation strategies. So first we have earthquake, and we can make the mitigation strategy for that one. That means we can do earthquake resistant building, early warning system. We can manage these things. Next we have flood. We can also mitigation strategies for that one. Proper drainage system should be there. Forestation should be there. Flood forecasting should be there. Next we have cyclone, and for that one we can make mitigation strategy for that one. Cyclone shelters as well as weather alert. Next we have environmental laws and agreement. So basically this Environmental Protection Act passed in 1986, and passed after the Bhopal gas tragedy, and gives the power to the central government to protect the environment, which covers the air, water and land pollution. Next we have National Action Plan on Climate Change, and it is basically launched by Government of India in 2008, and it includes the 8 missions. First we have solar mission, second we have energy efficiency, third we have water and forest conservation, sustainable habitat. Next we have international agreement. So basically if we talk about the Montreal Protocol, so this agreement passed in 1987, and second we have Rio Earth Summit, it is passed in 1992. Next we have CBD, it is passed in 1992, and Kyoto Protocol, it is passed in 1997. Paris Agreement in 2015, and International Solar Alliance, it also in 2015. Okay, so let's understand the multiple choice question topic based. So first topic we have development and environment, and which of the following is not one of the MDG goals? So we have these options. First we have eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, promote gender equality, climate action, and combat HIV and AIDS, malaria. So C is the right answer, climate action. Second question we have, how many sustainable development goals are there?